Hey everyone! Check out the C P CHANTPOWER 6-inch dual-action buffer polisher with 6 variable speeds ranging from 1500 to 6800 RPM for all your polishing needs. This versatile tool features an upgraded protection design that maintains safe speed levels when not touching the car surface at lower settings. Easily adjust the speed with a convenient dial, perfect for waxing, polishing, or removing paint defects depending on the setting. Its ergonomic rubber body and 2 detachable handles provide comfortable control during extended use. The complete kit includes 3 foam polishing pads, microfiber wash mitt and towel, plus essential tools like a spanner and hex wrench. Using this polisher regularly helps maintain your vehicle's paint, saving you time and costly repairs down the road. Keep your car looking its best with professional results right at home. Thank you for watching. And if you are interested in learning more about this product, you can find additional details and a link to purchase it in the video description below. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel to never miss out on future useful product reviews.